just navigate to Websites and Sales Funnels. Click on your sales funnel, and every sales funnel or whatever funnel has usually two pages: squeeze page and thank you page. Squeeze page is where people opt in to email form, for example, and thank you page is the page they are taken to after the opt-in. If you create a funnel in System.io, you usually get those two pages as default, but in today's video I want to show you how you can create a thank you page from scratch. So I will delete the thank you page. And now we can create the thank you page again. So to create a new page in the funnel, click on Add step, name the page. In this case, it will be thank you. And you need to choose type of the page. So choose thank you page. Click on save. And we have created a new thank you page. Now, as you can see, System.io offers you a lot of pre-made templates. These templates are good. You definitely can use them. They are proven to convert. But I want to show you a little tip, little trick that can increase your conversions actually. So we will be creating our thank you page a bit different. But for now, choose whatever template you want. Just click on select. And before we start editing the thank you page, we should change the URL path. So rename it to thank you. Now I want to show you the little trick I was talking about. To do that, go to your squeeze page and go to edit page. As you can see, we have very simple landing page or squeeze page where we are offering a free PDF in exchange for email address of our visitors. The issue with the pre-made templates from System.io is that they will not fit the looks of your squeeze page, because you create your very own squeeze page and you want your thank you page to look at least very similar to your squeeze page. Why? Because if somebody visits your squeeze page and they opt in into your email form, and after the opt-in they are taken to thank you page and the thank you page looks completely different, they can be confused. And if you do, let's say, an upsell on the thank you page, this confusion can make them leave the page actually. So what I want you to do, we will create our own blocks in System.io from our squeeze page, and then we will use them on our thank you page and modify them. Thanks to that, we will be able to create thank you page that has very similar look to our squeeze page. So go to the section and click on the save button, and you will save this whole block to your blocks. So name it landing page, whatever. Click on create. And our block was created and saved to our own blocks. Other thing we want to save to our blocks is the footer, so we don't have to create it again on the thank you page. So again, just click on the save button, name it footer, and click on create. Block was created and saved, and now we can leave our squeeze page. So click on the exit button. And now we can move on to editing our thank you page. So go to thank you page and click on edit page. As you can see, we have the template we choose before, but what we are going to do, we will delete everything so we can start from scratch. So just delete every section. And just to make sure you don't have any color differences, go to settings and check if your background is transparent. If not, just click on the remove background button. Alright, we can start editing the thank you page. So go back and go to the blocks tab. Click on my blocks, and as you can see, we have two blocks that we created and saved from our squeeze page. So we will start adding those blocks to our thank you page. So Click on the first one, and our squeeze page was basically imported to our thank you page. And we can also add the footer right away. And we have footer done, and we don't have to create it from scratch. Now we imported the squeeze page, and we can modify it to thank you page, and we will have very similar look, so the visitors or the prospects aren't confused when they are taken to thank you page. So what I will do, I will grab the main headline, I will put it here, and I will align it to center. I will do the same thing with the subheadline or with the text. I will put it under the main headline. Again, alignment to center. On the thank you page, we don't need the email form, but we will need the call to action button. So I will grab the call to action button and put it under this section. And I can delete this and the opt-in form as well. So we have main headline, we have subheadline, we have call to action button. In this case, this is affiliate marketing funnel. So we have opt-in form on the squeeze page. And on the thank you page, we are actually upselling the offer. So you can add either image or video or whatever you want. I will add video, for example. You can either add direct link or upload your own file, whatever you want. I will remove this section. And I also prepared some text for my thank you page. So I will be just copy pasting. We can add similar colors or the same colors for the highlight. We really want to match it to our squeeze page. I will add this as subheadline. Again, we can add similar elements. We can make this red and underline. And we will change the call to action. And in this case, the action when the button is clicked won't be submit form, but it will be open URL, and here can be your affiliate link, for example. In this case, because this thank you page is actually upsell to affiliate offer. All right, I think our thank you page, it doesn't look perfect, but for the purpose of the video, I think it looks pretty good. We can also check it for mobile view. So just click on the mobile and you can see how it looks on the mobile phone. And we can save it. So click on save changes. Click on the exit button. So we have squeeze page and we have also our thank you page that has similar look to our squeeze page. And now we should test if it's working and how the funnel looks. So go to squeeze page, click on view funnels tab, and we can opt in into the email form. All right, we have this headline, this subheadline, we have yellow call to action button, we have green highlight, we have red highlight, and I will click get my free recipe. And we were taken to our thank you page. We don't see the video because we didn't put any link or something, but you can of course change it however you want. And you can see this is very similar to our squeeze page. We have same fonts, same colors, almost the same call to action button, so the people aren't confused. This is how you create high converting thank you page. Of course, you can work with it to make it look even better, but this was just for presentation, how you can create your own thank you page without using System.io pre-made templates. And I believe that if you create thank you page this way, your conversions will be actually higher. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.